So good afternoon all. Today we are going to have a case study discussion on sensor. So we all know what is a sensor, right? What is a sensor?
A sensor is a device which measures the physical quantity and it gives us information.
Yeah, it converts a physical quantity into an electrical signal. Okay, it will be observing the signal that is available in the environment, like temperature, heat, pressure, etc. So it will be taking the physical quantity as an input and it will be converting it to an electrical signal. So the best example is a thermometer. So in thermometer, we have a sensor called as a thermistor. So thermistor is one which takes a temperature as it senses the heat of a person and it will be converting it to an electrical signal. So which will be converted into a digital and will be displayed in our thermometer. Okay. So in today's session, we are all going to have a discussion on sensor. We are going to explore what are all the sensors and what are the applications of a sensor. Okay, shall we start the discussion?
Yes.
Okay, sensor is nothing but a sensing device which is used to measure the physical quantity or some electrical quantity in a equipment or wherever the property is used. So we in all our environment we can see more sensors in the mobile phone. It's also acting like a sensor where it senses and observes our fingerprints and maintaining our security.
We have a capacitive sensor in mobile phone. So when we touch the phone,
Yes,
it's a capacitive.
yes, ma'am, and mostly we use sensors in many places to identify and locate and may do some useful things to identify and protect from theft and any other possibilities. And human carelessness avoided due to these presence of these sensors. So anybody can say some examples on sensors.
Yeah, I would like to say in the agriculture field, you are using soil moisture sensors to test the moisture of the soil, and you are using rain sensors. When the rain is detected, irrigations will be stopped, so the water will be saved.
Even in modified rain sensor, we can use whenever we try to make some wet cloths. If the raindrops felt on the sensor, automatically the string is coming closer to the wall. So it is a very great example for agriculture field, and in medical field we use
Heartbeat sensors.
heartbeat sensors
and many sensors we are using.
Yeah, all of it sensors.
yes.
The CT and MRI and all will be having all of it sensors.
And ECG also using sensor. I measure your heartbeats and pulse rate. We are using in IoT sensors. It has both difference between IO sensor and the other sensor. IO sensor also detecting an object. It will ray between object and the sensor.
Even electrical concepts are used in ear sensor. We know pyroelectric effect where the temperature is noted by heating and cooling down the electricity.
Very good to use in ultrasonic sensor, and we have used it in ultrasonic advanced model of IR sensor.
Easily we can
identify
identify
we can identify the long distance. Yes, that can detect short distance. Ultrasonic sensor is detect long distance, and we are using GPS model. It can detect the locations or the area send the message to an GPS model. GSM sync 800L, it can detect certain location and send a message to all other peoples or anywhere. We given numbers, it will send it to which will come around the number of IoT products to them. And we are using load cell sensor nowadays. Mobiles are around the load cell sensor. We can measure a weight in it can around the load cell, and we can use it in vibration motors. Vibration motors come from IoT. You will use it in we have put a mobile in vibration mode. It will activate and it will the call will come. It will indicate us, and it will very useful for the sensor is mostly used in all other areas. Sensor on the hardware and software are building well, it will very faster and efficient to using, and we are using many other sensors using motion sensor. Motion sensor is very useful to all people. It will reduce electric bills, and when we have go near the fan, it will automatically on, and go near the light, it will only on.
Smart home.
Yeah, smart home. Many other.
Okay, when coming to the concept of smartphone, what are all the other best sensors we use? Due to the automation, using the sensors are using in the automations, there are many. Coming to the part, sensors are easily doing the machine. It actually reduce the human work and the human error. It automatically reduce the output according to these situations. In the automation system, there are some automatic door systems like detect the member will be standing in the outside the automatically door open and close systems and right sensor. Particularly right sensors are usually in the on street light nowadays. Because in the daytime the sensor detect and they automatically turn off the light. In the night time sensor detect the situation and they turn on the light in the
LDR is used for the light dependent resistance. Even output lights are used for this.
and the heat sensors. Coming to the heat sensors, it observe the temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is usually in the many places in automation. If the room was heated in the threshold up to the prior to the threshold range, automatically the AC on or a fan on like that. Like that, we are using the temperature sensor in that and pressure sensor. Pressure sensor are usually in also many places, some other applications. And then
We have a piezoelectric sensor, right?
Piezoelectric sensor is a sensor which generates by in the usage of street lights while taking the walking step. It absorbs the electricity and gives it to
Given to a particular method, it will be
convert into electricity.
So it is used in automatic door opening systems.
Yeah, and everything sensor, pressure sensor is mostly used in expert measurements and we can alert into an application. Nowadays, some mobiles are alerting earthquakes.
Even in the study of seismology,
Yeah, so it's used to pressure sensor is mainly used for.
mainly it absorbs the earth cracks. In the current situation, every applications are we are using these sensors to detect the output and easily access in easy ways. And for example, we are using the industrial purpose. The more sensors are maximally used in the industrial purpose to stress down the labels and systematically get the output. See, come to know we can even reduce the human forces also. We can make them stress-free to work in every situations. They handle very stressfully.
And many sensors are in secret for using only defense purpose. It will use nowadays in India and Pakistan. We don't know if sensor
Can automatically detect
the radar sensor.
automatically detect the weapons and started to attack and defense. Now, in these, I am trying to adding a point in military base that the nuclear weapons is also made on based on the sensors. By clicking a button, it will automatically glasses all the targeted places where they set it.
Yeah, it will be what about some threshold frequencies? It will be measuring millions meters for we will use inputs by using often basis in algorithm analysis. It is mainly used to we have detect any grenades or any missions or in the earth.
So, okay, we have discussed about the sensors. We have discussed large sensors in every basis like biomedical, smart home automation, and military bases, and etc. So, this sensor is basically a sensing device which is used to sense a physical quantity or electrical signal and to intimate to the purpose of human resources. Thank you.
So for analyzing a signal that is available in the environment, we require a sensor. And also we have a output of sensor can be amplified and it can be filtered or it can be converted to digital. You'll be using this analog to digital converter and finally it will be given to a processing unit. It can be a microprocessor or it can be any type of processor. So based on that, in processor will be performing the operation based on it. So thank you all for your valuable points. Thank you.
Thank you.